This tool allows the equipment to record in real time a segment from the complete transfer string being logged by the meter. This segment can only be stored in the internal 1 GB memory of the meter, not directly in the USB pen drive. Afterwards, that recorded TS can be played on a PC with a video player or in the Verimeter. Once we are logged to a transfer stream, we need to press F3 and go to Transfer Stream Recording. When we press the red recording button, we will initiate the TS recording. Any previous recorded TS will be replaced with a newly recorded one. We will be asked to give a name to the recorded TS file. In the lower right part of the screen, we can see the free capacity left in the meter's internal memory. Upper windows show other information about the recorded file. We can stop the recording process by pressing the Stop button. Once stopped, the file will be closed and we can either play the file, pressing the play button, or forward or rewind it using the respective buttons. Pressing F2, you will erase the recorded file. Pressing F3, you will export it to an external drive. Here you can choose from which exact second you want to initiate the TS file transfer. F4 will let you access to these features options, where we can activate or deactivate the recorded file play in loop mode.